Welcome back, y'all, to Wednesday's episode of Oil Slick Cars, and today we're going to go back to the normal card car instead of out of the pack, because I want to do more out of the pack this week, but we got to at least have one normal one. Also, if you didn't see yesterday's video, we had a fantasy race happen, so that was the winner. Don't know what I'll declare him by the name of, but he's now back there. Yeah, anywho, let's get into today's video. Actually, I'll even bring y'all up to the shelf, because guys don't get to see it much anymore. Welcome back to the shelf. And actually today we're gonna go for this one here. Here is Mad Mike's Drift Attack. All around a super cool car. I mean, this thing definitely looks sweet. I picked this one at Walmart yesterday mainly because it looked just sweet. Like, there's a lot of cool details on this. I can't wait to show you once it's out of the package, but we gotta get this thing out of the package first. Brought back the original knife because, quite frankly, it just cut better. That might have been the best cut of this whole channel right there. Oh no, it was so close to being so amazing. And here she blows. Dang it. Knocked down one of the new Deadpool fellers. I need to just hang these up ever so slightly, and that would really help my life out. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alrighty, we now got those hanged up so they should stop falling. Because this one literally has fallen every episode. And that one's brand new, which just looks cool together. Anywho, let's get back into today's video. Here we go. Here's Mad Mike's Drift Attack. And this thing is sweet. It's got a lot of those little dark blue decaling lines on it. It feels pretty light, but I like that I had two different wheels on. Some like mean body kit stuff. And like here in the rear, like, that is mean. Let's get this thing weighed. Oh, jeez, I'm sorry. Let's not drop everything in this episode. Coming at 30. Okay, so it's not as light as I was expecting. It's about on par with the rest of the cars this week, so hopefully it shouldn't be at too much of a disadvantage. Alright. I want to try out a new thing with this GoPro camera I had rigged up because I don't have the Session, which is the small one that actually fits into this car, because they're so expensive for not being that great of a camera. So yeah, we're going to get some rolling shots here. I hope you like those rolling shots. I think they're pretty sweet. And yeah, that'll be the end of today's episode. Hope you all enjoyed. Parking it over here on the yellow tape, and see you next time. Peace.